Today we're gonna make some cannabis infused walnut cranberry date balls. What's up guys, Sarah here with Gaia 5D, helping you grow your own organic food and medicine and fight disease like a boss. Okay, so about a week ago I posted another video. There were some energy balls made with dates again and cannabis infused, although they were made with almonds and cacao. These ones are going to be very similar, but they're made with walnuts and cranberries instead. So the items needed for this little project include, of course, your food processor. We've got some walnuts, some medjool dates, cranberries, shredded coconut, and of course your cannabis infused coconut oil, and I've melted it a little bit in a heat safe dish in the oven. So the first thing we're gonna do is put the walnuts into the food processor and process them until they're nice and crumbly. We've got 6 ounces of walnuts, raw preferably, 14 ounces of pitted medjool dates, 4 ounces of dried cranberries, 6 tablespoons of shredded coconut, and then 2 tablespoons of your cannabis infused melted coconut oil. Then you're gonna food process it until it's nice and sticky. Remove the blade, and now you've got this nice sticky mixture that you're basically going to form into little balls. These ones don't roll as easily as the last ones did, just because they have the shredded coconut in there. So you're mostly just gonna have to like form it like this and roll it very gently, maybe like this. And then you get your little balls like that. All right, there we go. We've got our tasty walnut cranberry date balls that are also cannabis infused. These are full of vitamins and minerals. It's a tasty little energy snack that you can carry around with you anywhere that has the medicinal benefits of cannabis. Thanks so much for joining me, guys. Please do hit that subscribe button and have a really fantastic day.